me first run the topoSet solid and run CST multiplication. Here it will tell us that what are the options that we are missing. The selection mode is missing. We'll go to the copy this selection mode. First, let's go to the source code and find what are different options for the selection mode. We can go back here and go to the heat exchanger source, and then here in the reference temperature, these models are defined here. Let's go inside this. Here the reference temperature is here. Let's go inside this and find out what else this needs. Inside this, you can see you have to write the model and the target QDot. You can go here and just write that the model is reference temperature, which we already know, and this is the target QDot. Selection mode is, we already know, should be same as this one. Now let's again run. Clearly we need something here, we have to find that out. So we can just run it and find this unknown function one type. For targeted, valid function types are this. So there is constant, cosine, expression, and various other methods. We'll use constant. This is the easiest one. Let's just write constant and see what it needs. So if you go to constant and again run, you'll find that so clearly it wants something else as well. Let's go to this target QDot and see what it needs except this value. In target QDot, this is the reference temperature, and in target QDot is target heat rejection, and it requires something like this, which is function 1 scalar and the scalar value. Clearly we can just pass the scalar value as well. Let's see. This is the function 1. Let's see how it is used. Just the value of this. Let's put some target heat rejection rate. We can try some value after this. Let's put a constant value of 100 and now run this. Enter file not found. We also need a file entry. So why do we need a file? 2D reference table. These are the conditional entries. So we need at least one of these. We'll use a tref. So we know the reference temperature is 300. So let's use that. With this we need tref, which is 300. We are going to use for now. Now let's run again. It was working, but there is some problem. So it is unable to find this fee. Let's go back in the source code. Probably we have missed something. It is unable to find this fee, and we do not have any way to pass this fee because there is no mass flux in the solid. Therefore we cannot use this particular source. Let's try to use any other source function. Well, let me just show you that this same source we can use in fluid. Let me just copy this and add in here and comment this out. In the same surface that we have created in fluid, it will apply this particular heat source. From here we can just remove this and now try to run.